Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a wonderful time. It's Rafael back again. And in today's video, I want to talk about another trade that I took yesterday during the New York session. We squeezed a little bit more out of the market. I mean, yesterday we started the week with like 311,000 profit, and I ended up yesterday with 536,000, which is I think around 7.5% on the clock, which was amazing, guys. Yesterday was a beautiful day. We had 2 winning trades. It was beautiful. I'm gonna share with you why I took this trade yesterday in this video today. But before we get into it, just wanna let you know that you need to join the free Telegram channel, guys. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure to check the links down below in the description. Join the free Telegram channel to stay updated about everything that's going on in my trading journey, my students' trading journey, and all that good stuff. I'm making giveaways and all that stuff, so make sure to join the Telegram channel. And if you're looking for advice, if you need my help, just make sure to drop me a private message on Telegram. If I have time, I'm gonna answer your chat and help you to get on top, show you how we trade and all that good stuff. So check the links in the description below. And one more thing, guys, we're stretching the Black Friday week special until the 4th of December. So if you are serious about becoming a part of the Genius Trading Masterclass course, if you wanna learn our trading strategies, our trading principles, the psychology that we use to trade the markets to make consistent gains, then use discount code BF22 on the checkout page on genius-trading.com to save $158 on the masterclass course. The regular price is $447, and yeah, you're gonna get the masterclass course with this special price for $289. That's lunch, guys, compared to the opportunity that it will present for you, because the Genius Trading Masterclass course is everything you need to get the skill set down, the skill set of a consistently profitable trader, guys. And you can make millions of dollars with this knowledge if you take it serious. So what is $289? It's really nothing compared to what it can bring for you, guys. So think about it. If you're serious, let me know. Yeah, we're gonna get it cracking next years. So let's get it, guys. So what we had, let me show you the results real quick. As you can see, I had another 3 positions that I closed with 60K, 70K, 80K. And yeah, let's get back in time a little bit. What we have in here from April. So what we have in here, guys, still nothing changed. $3.9 million withdrawal. Profit is 4.7 million, nearly 4.8 million profit with this $7.7 million account at the moment. Yeah, we made a lot of damage this year, man. Crazy. Okay, so let's talk about the trade that I took, guys. And by the way, if you're looking for a broker, guys, I'm gonna put a link down below in the description as well. The broker that I'm using at the moment is Hanko Trade, so they're pretty nice. They have high leverage. It's perfect for day trading, and yeah, just check them out. If you're looking for a broker, we'll put the link down below. So what was going on yesterday, guys? What was going on yesterday? Let me show you real quick. I mean, this was the trade that these are the trades that we talked about yesterday, right? Those 2 trades that I took, and then yesterday I took another one after the New York session started with a huge push. The New York Stock Exchange opened at around 9:30 New York time. The market was pushing up, and we filled that gap. I mean, on the smaller time frames, you can see we had a gap in here. The market opened pretty aggressive, gapping down. As you can see, the market was moving strong when the market opened, right? You can see that here on the left side, and we had some stops from sellers sitting above these highs in here, right? So when the market opened at 9:30, we slashed through all these stops, and maybe a lot of buyers got tricked in here as well. We filled that gap, and then the market started to break structure to the downside again. We started to make bearish structure, as you can see, and on the 30-minute time frame was looking like, where it is, it was looking like that. So we had this crazy push in here, and then the market got rejected pretty aggressive in here. And this was the moment when I was like, okay, this is the time when the market wants to drop again. And I was focusing on these equal lows in here. This is my main target. Last week's low, all these lows in here. This is where I think the market is going to push next. And as you can see, yeah, it's coming down pretty aggressive right now. And this was my main target, to be honest, but yeah, I closed early at around 11,580 something. Somewhere in this area is where I closed the trade, as I have watched it enough, guys. So let's get straight into the smaller time frames again to see the price action in here. So I took the trade in here, had my stop sitting above in here, and then the market was coming down a little bit, then it broke structure and grabbed some more liquidity of all the guys who moved their stop too quick. As you can see, a lot of orders have been sitting in here. As you can see, the market react to that level pretty aggressive, coming down, came back up again. And yeah, at around this 11,700, somewhere in this area is where I have put another position into the market, and then I moved my stop in here. So I loaded up my position a little bit, moved my stop to make sure I'm not over risking. So my risk was still the same, but I put some more volume into the market, some more money into the market. And then I closed this trade after we had a beautiful push, and as you can see, it was the right decision. I mean, I could have waited for a little bit more on 11,550, but I was watching the chart long enough, guys. From 9:30, closed that trade at around 2 p.m. Yeah, it's more than enough, I think. 5 hours nearly. It was pretty long trading day. So yeah, nearly 5 hours, a little bit less than that. Was a long day yesterday. I was happy with the profit. Man, we banked on 2 beautiful trades this week on a Monday. This was crazy. Let's see what we got for today. I'm really thinking about selling this thing again today because we didn't took out these equal lows. Yeah, but I'm gonna wait. In 1 hour the New York Stock Exchange is going to open. Then we're gonna see a lot of volume coming into the market, so I'm gonna wait for that, see if we get if some more people getting stopped out, and then if I can see nice reaction to the downside, I'm going to ride this thing and move with the flow of the market. Yeah, that's it, guys. Let's see what we got for today. I will keep you updated. Make sure to check links in the description down below, guys. Get inside the Telegram channel, and if you're serious about becoming a profitable trader, get inside the Genius Trading Masterclass course as well. This offer will not be there for a long time. I mean, $289 for the Genius Trading Masterclass course is nearly for free. I'm telling you straight, guys, you can do so much money with this knowledge. Man, it's crazy. Anyways, wish you a great day, guys. We talk soon. Stay safe. Have a good day. Peace.